Are you kidding me? How? Okay.
Is everything all right?
No, the garage door just fell on my car. Do you know anybody who can replace a garage door?
You should call Randy and his crew at C&R Garage Doors. They're fast, friendly, and always reliable to work with.
Did you get a new garage door?
Yeah, I took your advice and called Randy from C&R Garage Door.
We've served the tri-state area for over 35 years. C&R Garage Doors, a Clopay and LiftMaster authorized dealer.